Enjoy sa Barney.
It's very important to cover your mouth and nose when you sneeze, so you don't share germs with your friends.
Yeah, BJ, it's not nice to share your germs. You're right, Sissy. Yeah, okay, Barney. Next time I'll try to remember to cover my nose and mouth.
Okay, here you go, BJ. This will help. If you feel another sneeze, just turn your head and listen to this.
Go get the other one, honey. Go get the other one. Go get giraffe. There's a giraffe, honey, oh, on the other side. Go get giraffe para hindi ka na-frustrate, anak. Oh. Go get giraffe, anak. Go get giraffe. Oh, mommy will get giraffe, ha? Anak, there's giraffe. Oh, there. There's giraffe. Oh, look. Oh, here, anak. Oh, here, oh. Look. Wag ako kainin mo. Anak, oh. Here's giraffe. Oh, anak, oh. Ay, ito. Here, oh, here. Ayan. Oh, yan. Ayun. Giraffe. Oh, giraffe. Oh. Go get giraffe. Come on, anak. Go get giraffe, anak. Sige na. Go get giraffe, anak. There, oh. Go get giraffe, anak. Sige na, oh. Why are you crying? You don't like Barney anymore, ha? Ay! Hala! Don't do that, anak. Oh. Watch Barney, okay? Mommy's working. Uy, crying na. Cranky na. Oh, wait, ha. Let's stop this na. Say bye-bye.